guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the sticker effect on Canva. So get your image. It only works with images, it doesn't work with graphics. But you're just going to select an image and you're going to select edit photo, and you're going to select the shadows button, and you're going to select glow. I'm also going to change the whoopsies. Okay, let's go back. I'm going to change the background first so that you can see the effect later. Go to elements. I'm just going to, okay, let's just use this one because that one isn't loading. I want it to. I'm just going to select this one instead. Edit photo and select the shadows button and select glow. And then you're just going to adjust the size here. Okay, maybe adjust it later, and you're going to put the blur amount to 0. You can also adjust the angle and distance. I'm just going to then adjust the intensity, and you're then just going to select color and select the white color to create the sticker outline effect, and you can use it for any of your photos. Sorry, I don't know why it's lagging a lot. But that's basically it, really, and you'll have this white sticker outline. You can use this with any PNG photos on Canva. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!